So far, we are done with the basics of Python. We are done with if-else statements, while loop, a little bit of for loop as well. Let's talk about data structures. What is the need of data structure, first of all? So far, the variables that we have used, they are integers, floating points, maybe string as well, yeah, characters, something like that. They were kind of tiny objects to store the value, tiny spaces to store the values. I can only store one value in one integer. What if I have to store the ages of everyone in my class, ages of everyone who is visiting the departmental store? Should I create a separate variable for everyone? Or there should be let's say a collective bucket in which I can add the ages of different people, and there should be another bucket in which I can add the salaries of other people. There should be another bucket in which I can add other attributes of other people, so that later on, if I have to extract the ages of people, I can go to the bucket of ages. I can go to the bucket of salaries and the other bucket as well if needed. The names of people as well, right? So in order to store multiple values in one variable, multiple data types in one variable, the data structures are introduced where we can structure our data. For example, I want to store 10 integers that are relevant to each other. For example, as I mentioned, they are ages of people. I can store all these variables I can store all these values in one variable by using any particular data structure. We have different data structures like list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. By the way, we have unintentionally used another data structure so far, which is called string. String is also a data structure. Why? Because inside the quotation marks, we are storing multiple characters. Character is basically the atomic thing, the smallest thing inside the data structures, right? If we combine multiple characters, it will become a string. Just like that, if we combine multiple integers, it may become list. If we combine multiple integers, strings, floating points, it may again become string or tuple or a list or a set. Now, what are these things? What are further benefits of these things? What is the syntax? How to use them? What are the use cases? What assignments are we going to perform on it? What are the activities we are going to perform on the data structures? How we can use for loop on different data structures? How each data structure is different than the other one? What is the pros and cons of each of different data structures? We are going to learn that in this module.